Hey Felipe, I hope this isn't too weird and parasocial, but you chose to go live, so I'm showing you something. This is maybe a different way to think about how to animate the mouths on there without using that time shift. So the setup I have is that I've got the mouths are one collection, and then I've got this empty object which I'm calling the mouth center, and that is all the other objects are parented to it. So this would be, I've got like a circle, star, and a triangle. Those are all parented to that mouth center. But the idea is this would be all of your different mouth shapes, and you could just keyframe turning them on and off. And you could also at any point go in and, let's say you wanted to modify this, you could go in and change the strokes like that. So that's one way to do it. I think if I was going to write an add-on for it, and I might do it, that's how I would organize things, is just by centers so that all the mouths move with it. And yeah, just kind of turn keyframes on and off, and then just have a little library down here of the different mouth shapes. But let me know what you think.